Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Degiro. Review my usage experience. Degiro is an online brokerage platform that allows users to invest in a wide range of financial instruments, including stocks, bonds, ETFs, options, and futures. It primarily targets individual investors looking for a cost-effective way to access global markets. Key features include low trading fees, a user-friendly interface, and a wide selection of investment products. Their website provides detailed information on the various asset classes available, fee schedules, and account types. Degiro emphasizes its transparent pricing structure with no hidden fees and competitive commission rates compared to traditional brokerage firms. The platform also boasts a robust trading platform with advanced charting tools and market data. Degiro's availability depends on your location, so be sure to check their website to see if it's offered in your region. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Degiro. Getting started was surprisingly easy. I signed up online, verified my identity, and linked my bank account within a couple of days. The initial deposit requirement was reasonable, and I was trading within the week. Navigating the interface is fairly intuitive. The dashboard is clean and well organized, making it easy to track my portfolio, view market data, and execute trades. I especially like the advanced charting tools which allow for in-depth technical analysis. For example, I was able to easily compare the performance of different ETFs and quickly place an order for the one I chose. The platform performed reliably throughout my testing. Trade executions were quick, and I never experienced any significant downtime. I did have a quick question about transferring funds, and their customer support responded within a day via email with a clear and helpful answer. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, even for a relative beginner like myself. The standout feature for me was definitely the low trading fees, which made experimenting with smaller investments much more appealing. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app at the time I used the service, though they do have a mobile-friendly website. It also took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings within the trading platform, but there are plenty of tutorial videos available on their website. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience with Degiro. While it might not have all the bells and whistles of some other platforms, its combination of low fees, a wide range of investment options, and a user-friendly interface makes it a compelling option for both beginner and experienced investors. That's my overview of Degiro. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.